Let's go and make this wonderful olive spread. Olive tapenade, which is a mix of olives, sardine, sun-dried tomatoes, and many flavors inside. Let's go and see that amazing recipe. We spread on our bread and we enjoy this really special and easy delight. Let's look at the ingredients of making this wonderful olive tapenade or olive spread. 1 kilogram of olives that we have cleaned from the seed and they're ready. 1 full lemon, about 50 grams of peppers, 100 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, and about 100 grams of cured sardine or anchovies. Both of those you could check the recipes from my playlists. A spoon of chili paste, and I've got also the garlics from the cured sardines. And to go with that, I took about 100 milliliter of the olive oil that is from the sun-dried tomatoes. Into a clean bowl we put all of our ingredients, and then we blend very well. Off we go. Look at that. If you'd like, you could add a drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna add 30 to 40 milliliter, just a little bit. We place in a container and we put in the fridge. Now all the ingredients that we used are preserved, so you could have this as long as you want in the fridge. It will not go bad. Let's go and toast some whole wheat bread and make a fluffy omelette. Off we go with the black pepper. Into a hot pan with oil and butter we add our beaten eggs, and we need to move every now and then so the egg does not form and get stiff. Turn off the fire now. We leave it in the pan for 2 minutes, and what's best than serving it with crispy bread, wonderful fluffy omelette and fresh basil alongside with this fluffy and delicious omelette. Bon appetit. Yummy. Truly delicious.